Good morning, humans. It's morning, and I really just want to crawl back into my bed and not do anything. Unfortunately, I have to finish getting ready for work and leave here in like about 4 minutes, something like that. So, yeah. But all I really want to do is go back and lay on this couch and just curl up and sleep. I don't want to do anything. I don't. I just want to... I want to be lazy and not think about anything and not do anything and just... That makes sense? I think it makes sense for me. Braveheart, are you watching your sissy play? Hi, D. Hi. Oh, what are you giving love? Hi, ma'am. You wanna play? Diva wants to play, Spike. They're so cute together. Yeah, I don't know. They're cute. They really are. So, I know my hair looks like crap. Yeah. And I have to give the babies water. Hey, Brave! It's cold. It's windy. It's miserable. My tooth over here hurts. So I can't drink really cold stuff or eat really cold stuff. Or it hurts me. That's fabulous. Yeah. I've been home for a while. And I'm just chilling. In a figurative sense, because I'm like, no, Brave. Stay out of there. Yeah, I know that's doing that. The wind's blowing really bad. My hair's not how I want it. My hair looks like crap and feels like crap. I have to wash it today. And not put nearly as many products in it, I think. Yeah. And maybe it'll look better. I don't know. But I'm just chilling here. And doing things that I need to get done. It was a little busy, very busy day today. I got a good majority of the stuff I needed done. Thank you. But now it's relaxation time. I'm back where I wanted to be when I left. I just wanted to curl up here and just not get up. You get to do that now, though, which is awesome. Just chill here. Hey, baby. Hey. We're gonna relax and not watch the Oscars. Yeah. I'm not watching the Oscars tonight. I haven't watched any of the awards this year. I just haven't felt like it. The power went out. It came back, obviously, but that was disconcerting because I was making a cup of tea, hoping that would help my tooth. It didn't. All that sugar and like really hot did not help. So I know I'm going to be sleeping down here again. I've decided that much. But I need to I need to take a shower because I'm cold. And I kind of want to get my bed set up. But yeah, I decided I'm sleeping down here for the simple fact of, in case the power decides to go out, these winds are like crazy. Like, they're the worst. I've heard them. Do you hear that? Like, they were so strong they knocked the wind chimes, the smaller wind chimes I have out there, off. Hi, you gonna come up here? Come on. Come on. Yeah. So that was intense. And then my mom called me after the power went out, and like, of course I didn't have my phone on me because it was charging, so I had to go get it. I'm like, yes, my power went out. Yes, it's back on. We're on different lines. So my power could go out and hers couldn't, or vice versa. So you're gonna get up here. I know. Come on. Hey, baby. Hi. Mommy needs to go shower. Yeah, mommy needs to go shower before the power decides to go out again, which is possibility. You're gonna get on my lap. Baby, mommy has to go shower. You were okay. You were inside. It's okay. It's okay, baby. I know you don't like it. I don't like it either, but you're okay. You're inside. That's why you're inside. You don't live outside anymore. Yeah. Mommy protect you. Mommy protect you. Yeah, you're okay. You're okay. Now I kind of feel bad for having let Skitter and Snuggles out, but they do know where to go for a shelter. And I'm sure Skitter's not that far away. I know exactly where Snuggles is. She's probably out at my mom's, trying to bum food, sleeping in a sleep in that dog box she has on their front porch. The only good thing is the winds are blowing this way, so it should be safe from the wind. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go shower just to get that out of the way. She's bad. They're all bad. Brave, lay down. Okay. I showered. My hair is drying naturally. Air drying. I didn't put as much product as I did last time in it, so we're gonna see how it looks. I tried my two. I didn't use the Not Your Mother's hair kinky mousse stuff. I used the Aussie stuff, and then I just put the spray stuff, the Aussie spray stuff, and the Not Your Mother's hair texturizing spray in it. So we're gonna see how it turns out. But I'm out of bed. My teeth are hurting. Oh, I need to go get my sleeping pill. Yeah, my teeth are hurting and I'm tired and I just wanna go sleep. So if you guys are new and you haven't already, please hit subscribe down below, hit that little bell notification so you know everything that's uploaded to the channel. Give today a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys tomorrow when I decide to wake up. Yeah. Night!